He is an American professional mixed martial artist and philanthropist. He is currently fights in the lightweight division of the UFC. His family. He is a former interim UFC lightweight champion. His spouse. His spouse name Julie. His wife Julie was born on March 4th, 1989. His daughter. His daughter named Parker Noel. His father named Darrell. His mother named Jerry Foley. His family. He has an estimated net worth of $2 million. Height 5 feet 9 inch. He was born on January 19, 1989. He was born in Lafayette, Louisiana. He is of French descent. Nationality American. He attended Northside High School for a short time as he dropped out in the 9th grade because of repeatedly getting into trouble and street fights. He still spends most of his time in Lafayette with his wife Julie and their daughter, but trains at American Top Team in South Florida, where he relocated before fights. He turned professionally in 2009, quickly compiled as a record of 7-0, competing mostly in regional promotions across his native Louisiana and the southern US. Glimpses of his early MMA career in Louisiana is depicted in the documentary Fight Village. His nickname, The Diamond. He got his first tattoo at the age of 14. Currently, his chest and arm are covered in tattoos, including 3 Japanese characters on his chest that says Bushido. He also holds notable victories over fighters such as Max, Eddie, Justin, Anthony, Dan, and the greatest win of his career over Conor. After his losses to Chan Sung, he moved to American Top Team. He lost a decision to Danny in his WEC debut on August 18, 2010 at WEC 50. He defeated Jedge via first round KTO on November 12, 2010 at WEC 52. He faced Conor in a rematch of their 2014 bout at UFC 257 on Jan 24, 2021. He won the fight via knockout in the second round, becoming the first person to defeat Conor by knockout. He married his wife, named Julie. The couple had their first child, Parker, on August 20, 2016. On June 26, 2020, he was awarded the Forrest Griffin Community Award by UFC for his charity work. He has been competing professionally since 2009 and he has also competed WEC. Weight 155 IB.